Hi, I'm Krista Wagner. I teach band, middle school band in the Mount Lebanon School District. And I'm also a professional freelance musician. I've so enjoyed my classrooms with Without Borders trip. It's been an amazing experience. Zippy has done a beautiful job of incorporating things that have to do with the discipline of music into the trip. And especially powerful was the trip to Terezin, because there were so many musicians that were there at Terezin, and I got the opportunity to play my flute there at a memorial service at Terezin, and I chose to play something written by Gideon Klein, or a portion of a string trio written by Gideon Klein. As a musician, I always feel like the art of music is collaborative in so many ways. You know, even if you're just a single musician, you're collaborating with whomever it is wrote the piece of music, because the piece of music isn't alive until it's performed. And I feel that, you know, being a performer of music and being a teacher of music, I'm always trying to tell my kids that you're really bringing, you're bringing somebody alive, whoever it is wrote this piece of music. You're reinvigorating this, and you're the one who's also creating the art with the composer. And so the chance to play Gideon Klein's music in the space where he wrote that music was very, very powerful feeling. I felt very connected to him, and I felt like for a moment I could sort of feel and experience what Gideon Klein felt and experienced. Take an experience like that back into my classroom, just to tell the story of that, and to tell the story of Terezin and how people made beautiful art and poetry and music in a place of just such terrible, terrible tragedy, is just a very powerful message about the power of the arts and what it can do to heal us, and what it can do for expression, and how important it is for people to express themselves even in the most dire of circumstances. We also got to see a Czech chamber orchestra, which was very, very exciting for me, and I got to hear Dvorak and Smetana played by actual Czech musicians in Prague, where, you know, many of these composers lived. From the street musicians and looking at the way in which some of the American music is integrated into this culture, and the way in which we integrate Czech music into our culture and European music into our culture. There's just a host of lessons that I can bring back to my classroom, having been here, and make all of this music so much more alive for my students. You know, just today in the streets I saw a drum I've never seen before, and managed to pick up a CD. So there's going to be something I can share with my kids there as well. So there's just many powerful stories, and those stories are something that musicians use to find their expressive voices, and I think this is just going to help me find my expressive voice more as a musician, and help my students find their expressive voice as musicians from my having had this experience.